Welcome to the complete HTML CSS course. In this course, we are going to learn how to build website from beginner to a professional level. At the end of this course, we are going to build youtube.com. Now you don't need any previous coding and technical experience. This course is designed to be yours first step to become a software engineer. We are going from very basics of HTML and CSS. Build the way step by step. Along the way, we are going to learn skill that we are required to build a professional website. After the section, I will give you bunch of exercises that you can practice with your ovens. Lastly, you don't need to worry about notes. I create HTML and CSS reference that we learn about everything in this course. With that, let's get started. For code, we need a software which is VS Code. Go to the any browser you have in your PC. I have three, but I mostly use is Microsoft Edge, and open it and search it VS Code. The first website is appear. Click on it for download. From here, you can download according to your operating system. If you have Windows, you can download from here. If you have Linux, you can download from here. If you are using Mac, you can download from here. Right now, I am using Windows. And it start downloading. So right now I don't need to continue. I just want to stop it because I have already this software in my PC. So after the completion of download, go to your download section. This is how your software appear in download section. Right click on it and run as an administrator. And you see a pop-up, click yes. This shows because I have already installed this software in my PC, so don't need to reinstall it. So before starting our HTML, we need a folder in which we can save our file. So in window, right click and go to new, click on folder and name it you want to, like I want to it code. Just enter. Open your VS Code and go to the three dots on the left. Go to the file and after that you see a open folder. Open folder. Go to this and we create a new folder which is code. Click on it and select the folder. The folder is open in the VS Code. Now we have to create a file where we can code. So click on the new file and name it like website.html. Why we should name it like .html? Why we cannot simply say website? Because .html is connect our file to the browser. So let's start how we. There is a multiple type of tags that we use in HTML, but we are a beginner. So start from button, greater than, button, less than, and between these tags it is a opening tag, and this is a closing tag. And in between we can write anything we want, like Anuj, and save it. if you want to open this file in your browser, go to your file where your folder is exist, which is our is code. Inside this is a website. Right click on it and open with any browser you are using. Right now I am using Microsoft Edge. See, this is appear like this. This is a opening tag and this is a closing tag. In between this is the text which is appear inside the button, and also we can write other elements like greater than, p, less than. Inside this is a paragraph, and say this is not aware in our browser page, so we can refresh it, and now this is a paragraph. And there is a another element which is anchor element. In the anchor element we are using for links. We can link anything we want to, less than, a, greater than. Inside this we are going to put YouTube link, save and refresh it. You see there is if I click on it, there is nothing happen, no youtube.com is loading. For this we need another attribute which help, but we want inside that youtube.link. For this, space href equal and double quote. Inside this double quote we can put youtube.com link directly. So youtube.com, this page is appear. Just select and right click on it and copy, go to our VS Code and paste it and save. Open our file and refresh it. Now see, the YouTube link is work like a link. When I click on it, there is a youtube.com is appear. There is another thing we can also use it for as an attribute. So we also add another attribute for another page, because when we click on youtube.com, the page is loaded in same page. We want to, and the another page is appear as in youtube.com. So there is a target is another attribute which help to open the youtube.com to the other page. Target equal and double quote. Inside double quote we write dash blank and save it, and back to our file. Right click on it, open with any browser you have in your PC, and when I click on it .youtube.com, there is another page is loaded as an youtube.com. And let's come to some mistake that beginner also do, that which is like they want something ki if I give space in this button is move away from the screen, but when I save it and reload the page, there is no change in the page that you are looking for. And there is another things that most people are doing, which is